Hey guys, this is how to fix Amazon Flex app not working. You guys make sure to follow along as I provide multiple solutions for you, and I will show the step-by-step guide on the Apple users on the left side of the screen. So the first one is just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply tap on the search bar at the bottom and search for the Amazon Flex app. And now just simply tap on the application and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and make sure to have the enable auto update turned on, and when there is an update you should be able to see update button over here instead of open. Another solution that you might want to consider is just simply go to the settings on your device, and after that just simply scroll down and just simply go to the apps, and after that guys just simply try to find the application and just simply tap on it. And from here, just simply go to the storage over here. And now just simply tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on a clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, the last option that you have is just simply go back on the top left corner over here. And now just simply go ahead and tap on uninstall and just simply tap on OK. And after that, just simply go back to the Google Play Store and reinstall the application back into your device, and you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. See ya.